mga IG friends, they made some remarks on your attire nung press con.
Like, what did they say?
Parang
Did they like it?
appropriate sa age.
Sino yan?
Too mature. Baka too
Parang
mature.
too mature for... So, ano yung reaction mo? Is it something na you're doing because of the way you wanted to brand yourself or wala lang?
Because you just turned 18.
Because
Ang ganda kasi actually
because
naman.
I can do what I want. Joke lang.
It's a black cocktail dress.
No naman, it's just that I feel like if I'm comfortable in it, then why can't I wear it? I'm the one wearing it naman eh. So parang, what's the deal? Pero okay, I understand where they're coming from, but like today, I'm very sweet today. It doesn't mean I'm wearing
Sweet
black.
yung gabing yun
Yeah, it doesn't mean I'm wearing that. It means I'm gonna go fierce all the time. But I mean,
Yeah.
who else would do it, right? My age, so I can wear whatever I want to wear.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Albert. You have more questions?
For J.
Oh, it's a series pala of questions. Okay. Jaden,
Galing sa mga friends.
why not? Go ahead.
For Jaden, what are your thoughts on happy
On what?
on happy ending?
Okay,
Kasi
yeah, since
dun
gamit na gamit sa trailer yung salitang yun, di ba? Your thoughts on happy ending?
Dahil dun kinananaw ko.
Ikaw nga muna.
You answer.
Well, for me, happy ending. All I can think about is in the movie. It's what's that? Can you say it?
Dun kasi sa movie, ang palaging sinasabi ng mom ko, which is si Teresa, kung hindi pa happy, hindi pa yung ending. So, I
Totoo
guess
naman.
na yung happy ending for me na lang, simple lang, pag masaya ka na, I guess that would be it.
Depende kasi how we define happy ending eh. Ang bata pa nila to talk about mag-happy ending agad ngayon, di ba? O, di ba parang...
Pero di ba pag teenager ka, yun yung parang
Okay, so, naniniwala ba kayo na may happy ending?
Well, for me, it's never really an ending. It's always up and down, happy and sad. So, I mean, I don't really know.
Kailan ba nag-end ang happy ending? For example, kinasal kayo, yun ang happy ending ba yun? Eh pag naghiwalay kayo, hindi happy ending ba yun? It's hard, napaka-broad ng happy ending, ano, direct?
Yeah, parang you make your endings, you make your life. So, whatever it is na naging buhay mo, you are responsible doon. Hindi mo yun iaasa sa love life o sa career mo, di ba? Parang you make your own happiness, di ba? Hindi naman tayo basta na lang I found the one and I'm happy. Hindi naman totoo yun, sa totoo lang.
May hugot.
May hugot din.
Sige nga, Albert, Mark, your questions.
Dun sa movie is parang, yun na nga, you're in search for...
Hindi ka ba nangangalay? Naka-record. Okay.
So personally, what not desperate naman, pero yung mga bold moves you did for
Not naman stupid. Ganun.
not necessarily,
Bold.
pero yung parang grabe nagawa ko to para sa pamilya.
Para sa anong word? Hindi naman worst. Anong nagawa mong para sa pag-ibig?
Giving up, like, time for myself. Siguro yun na, sacrifices.
Inano mo,
Hindi naman ako
hindi ka masyado nagbigay ng time.
Kasi diba usually, pag sinabi mo, ano ba yung mga bold sacrifices, ganun yung sinasabi nila. Like, I have friends na ganun. Or sumuway sila ganyan-ganyan. Ako siguro, yun lang. Parang binigay ko yung instead na yung time ko sa sarili ko. Parang, yun yung binigay ko dun sa
Medyo mag-sacrifice nga yun, ha?
Yeah, sacrifices.
James, anong...
I've never done anything really
Yeah.
crazy for love, but I've sacrificed love for myself, for career, but I've never really like anything crazy for love.
Last, what makes each other a boyfriend or girlfriend?
Material?
Material. What do you see in Nadine na feeling mo she's a girlfriend material? What do you see in James?
What makes her girlfriend material?
Yeah.
Mhm.
She's a good listener. Yeah, she's a very good listener.
Ay, ang galing ko rin makinig. Naman ka So when a girl listens a lot to you, material,
Yeah, she cares about what I say, and she helps me out. So that's, for me, that's a big part of being, girlfriend.
Nat, on,
Ako naman for me, well, pagkasama ko po kasi si James, parang palaging masaya. Lalo na pag like, yung mga madaling araw na medyo baliw na siya. Like, nagjo-jokes na siya or...
hindi namin nakikita yun.
Ganun siya, ganun
Share
siya.
ngayon,
Surprise sa
Yes,
madaling
yun lang
araw.
Ganun siya.
So yun na na.
Tapos, he has great timing. Like, when I have like problems, tapos malungkot ako or something, parang nagpapatawa siya. Or, I don't think he knows naman. Pag down ako, wala lang, parang on time lang siya pala.